If you're wondering how to import your Kartra list into GetResponse, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to do it step by step and explain the ins and outs of both platforms. Stick around till the end because we'll also share an exclusive offer that could save you time and money. First off, let's look at why you'd want to transfer your Kartra list to GetResponse. Kartra is an all-in-one marketing platform, but GetResponse offers some powerful email marketing features with automation that many users find valuable. Whether you want better automation, more integrations, or just a fresh start, migrating your list to GetResponse is a straightforward process. Next, let's jump right into the process. Start by logging into your Kartra account and heading to your My Contacts section. Once you're there, you'll want to select the list of contacts that you're looking to export. Unfortunately, Kartra doesn't provide an immediate export function to GetResponse, so you'll have to go through a few steps. Now, the fourth thing you'll need to do is export your contacts in a CSV format. Kartra allows you to export your list as a CSV file. Make sure that all the necessary information, like email addresses, names, and any tags, are included in the file. If you're not familiar with CSVs, just make sure your list is organized properly to ensure everything imports smoothly into GetResponse later on. Once your CSV file is ready, log into your GetResponse account. In the main dashboard, go to the Contacts section and select Import Contacts. GetResponse gives you the option to import from various sources, but here, you'll want to choose the CSV option. Select your exported Kartra file and upload it. Here's where it can get tricky. GetResponse may ask you to map fields from your CSV to their own fields. This is where you'll double-check that everything is aligned, like ensuring that email addresses are going into the email field and names into the name field. It's a quick process, but a critical one to make sure your data is organized correctly. Now, the next thing to consider is double-checking your automations in GetResponse. Unlike Kartra, which has a more rigid automation system, GetResponse offers more flexibility in this area. However, it can take some extra time to rebuild your automation workflows from scratch in GetResponse. If your list had tags or custom fields in Kartra, make sure those are transferred over and properly set up in your new system. But before you finish up, here's the kicker. While GetResponse is solid for email marketing, it's not perfect for everyone. Kartra has an all-in-one solution, but if you're strictly looking for robust email marketing with integrations and automations, GetResponse has its strengths. However, there are better alternatives for achieving your marketing goals. Some of these competitors are more tailored for people focusing on growing their email lists with a user-friendly experience. Finally, don't forget that we've partnered with GetResponse to offer you an exclusive extended free trial through the link below. But here's the thing, we've also added some amazing alternatives that may be a better fit for the goal mentioned in the title. These alternatives come with their own free trials, so you can check them out and see which one works best for you. Click the link in the description below for access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits for our viewers.